Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to create a line chart. So what is line chart? Line chart means it shows the progress over the time. And time means what? Like in Tableau we used only two types of time data type, right? One is date and time and second one is your date. So using these two data type we can create a line chart, okay? So for this just open show me option and you can see there are three line option available, okay? These are the three line chart option. One is your continuous line chart, second one is your discrete line chart and third one is your dual line chart, okay? So today we will create discrete line chart. So to create a discrete line chart we require one date type, 0 or more dimension and one or more measure, right? So let's create. So for this I have for date and time I have shift date, okay, and just control click, and for measures I'll just pick up cell, okay. Then just choose discrete line and just click this plus option, see, and make it as enter view, okay. So now in this chart you can see in quarter 1 the sale was 8,56,459, okay, and in quarter 2 the sale was 10,41,941, and in quarter 3 the sale was only 25,937, okay. So in this way you can easily identify. So here if you want to see which region is having how much sale, so for this just drag and drop region into color, okay. So now you can see in my right hand side the central region is in blue color, east is in orange and so on. So you can see this is the east region column, okay, and the east region quarter 1 sale was 1,83,521. East region quarter 2 sale was 3,93,849 and East region quarter 3 sale was 14,802, okay. So in this way you can see for central region, south region and for west region, right? So in this chart you can identify across the three quarters the south region is having the lowest sale and the east region is having the highest sale, right? So in case of region, if you want to see the customer segment also, you can also do that. Just remove the region part and just drag and drop customer segment into color, okay. So now you can see my right hand side, the consumer is in blue color, corporate one is on orange color, home office is on red color and small business is on green color, okay. So in this way you can see the corporate one sale was 3,30,125 on quarter 1. For quarter 2 it was 3,10,363 and for quarter 3 it was 17,295. So in this way you can easily identify over the 3 quarter, this one is your corporate one has highest sale and this one is your which one? Small business one, it was on lowest sale, okay. So like instead of customer segment you can also drag and drop product category into color, okay, and you can see the furniture sale, the office supply sale and the technology sale, okay. Technology sale was in first quarter was 3,88,398. In quarter 2 the sale was 3,07,897 and in quarter 3 the sale was 15,971, okay. So in this way you can easily identify. Okay, I'll just clear this sheet and I'll just show you how to create a line chart in another way. So you can just simply drag and drop shift date into column, okay, and sale into rows and any dimension like region or customer segment or product category or subcategory into color, okay. and expand the year into quarter and make it as entire view. So in this way you can easily create a line chart within just a few clicks and within just 1 minute. Okay. So in this video you learn how to create a line chart, and this is the discrete line chart, right? So I hope you have understood. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.